What's up, guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to delete a Discord server using your PC or mobile device. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. First, let's delete a Discord server using your mobile device. Open up the Discord app on your mobile device and locate the server you're trying to delete. Tap on the three dots in the top left corner to reveal the server options. The next step is to access the server settings, where the option to delete the server is located. Click on the gear icon, typically found in the top right corner of the screen. In the server settings, select Overview. Scroll down to the end of the Overview settings. At the bottom, you'll find the option to permanently delete the server. Tap on it and confirm any prompts that appear. This is how you delete a Discord server on the mobile app. If you prefer to use your PC, open up the Discord app and head to the server you're trying to delete. Click on the server name to open a drop-down menu. Then select Server Settings. Scroll to the bottom of the server settings where you find the option to delete the server. Select this option and confirm any prompts that appear. The server will be permanently deleted. These steps and more information will be available in my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.